Hello, Lamtabong Community Church! Congratulations on your 7th year anniversary. Ito ay isang mahalagang okasyon that marks 7 years ng pananampalataya, ng dedikasyon at community building. Sa pamumuno ng aking kaibigang si Pastor Ricky at ng kanyang asawang si Rain, lumago at umunlad ang inyong church. Naging tanglaw ng pag-asa at pagmamahal para sa Lamtabong Tribal Community. Sa pamamagitan ng inyong unwavering commitment sa paglilingkod sa iba at pagpapalaganap ng mensahe ng pag-ibig ng Diyos, you have made a profound impact on the lives of many. Throughout the years, you have provided spiritual guidance, support, and a place of worship for the community. Your dedication to uplifting the spirits and nurturing the souls of your congregation is truly inspiring. Habang ipinagdiriwang ninyo ang milestone na ito, may you reflect on the countless lives you have touched and the positive influence you have had on the community. Your commitment to faith, unity, and compassion ay nagpapakita ng isang halimbawa para sa ating lahat. So, on behalf of all those whose lives have been touched by your ministry, I extend my heartfelt congratulations to you, my friend, Pastor Ricky, and your beautiful wife, Rain, and the entire Lamtabong Tribal Community Church. May you continue to be a source of light and love in the years to come. God bless you all, and Shalom.